Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a gift I bought at Best Buy today. It's a Bonaire 9-inch DC table fan, and this is part of the EcoSmart fan series. It has a slim profile, pure quiet technology for soothing white noise, and instead of having 3 speeds like a normal table fan would, it actually has an infinite speed control. See, right here on the control panel on the box, you have the power button. You see how it has a plus and minus sign here? That's for the infinite speed control. Has a unique adjusting tilting feature. Turn the box to the other side. Basically the same features, and here is a little chart that shows you what type of fan it is. This is a table fan, and small footprint allows for use on a table or desk, and it's ideal for use in bedrooms or other small personal living areas of the home. And here is the owner's manual. Alright, and here is the fan itself. See, same features as it says on the box. Plastic just comes right off. And this is the type of power supply it uses. So instead of having a normal regular power supply, it's like little, it's sort of like a phone charger. Just let me plug this in over here. Sorry about that, folks. Can't do two things at once. Okay, here it is. Okay, here's the front, the side, and the back. Alright, and here is the low speed. This is the lowest speed it has. And I'm going to increase the fan as we go. Here's the oscillation. And here's the highest speed. Back to low. And off. There's also another feature I want to show you. You can actually tilt this fan all the way up and carry it. But I'll just use the handle on the back. So that's all I wanted to show you. So my idea of this fan, I think it's a pretty good engineered fan. But if you have your views, then please let me know in the comments box below, and I'll see y'all on my next video.